they were given the information of what we're looking for, what we want, and they just don't have it, but showed us everything that we didn't want. Something about that.
All right. Rolling down the highway, it's just us two. Sky so bright, we're both brand new. Home on the wheels, on our way. Shannon AD, living tomorrow's today.
What up, fam? So it's day 3, Saturday. About to head to Louisville, go check out a few more fifth wheels. Still trying to narrow this thing down. Coffee in hand, so you know we're ready to go. Come along with us. So just pulled up Camping World in Denton. So about to go in and see what they have at this location. If not, I did pass a couple other locations on the way here. So we're gonna see what they do. All right, fam, so leaving Camping World in Denton, and a little disappointed. They were given the information of what we're looking for, what we want, and they just don't have it, but showed us everything that we didn't want. Something about that. All right, y'all, so we're off to the next. Going to hit 2 more spots that we saw on the way here, and we'll take you along. Fam, so we back out here in McLean's and Denton, still in the Denton area. So on the drive up, we did see a few manufacturers that we have been looking at. So we're gonna stop in and see what they're talking about and see if we can't make this thing happen. Find the right one. So we out here in McLean's. We got our boy Kyle showing us around. You know, he said he got a couple options.
He said a couple, more than 4, which I like.
Or, I'm sorry, my bad, a few options.
A few options.
Yeah, so we're finna go check him out and see what he got, and we'll be back.
All right.
What up, fam? All right, so day 3, we finally found one that we, for the most part, like. So this is the Grand Design Solitude 380 FL. I'm right now sitting in the kitchen, which has a eat-in table, lovely island. My wife would have her pantry, shelves, drawers, 4-burner stove, microwave, an oven. This fridge though. Uh-oh, there it go. I mean, this fridge is bigger than the fridge I have at home now. So, yeah. Still in the kitchen. Have a little work area, can put a TV here, can put a monitor and laptop, whatever. But let's go upstairs. Check out where I'll be a majority of the time. So 3 quick steps. I'm in the living room. Sofa. I mean, a living room. Built-in TV, fireplace, storage everywhere. Got drawers, cabinets. This thing is nice. I like it. I ain't even noticed this curtain. It's got a divider curtain here. Oh, check this out. I'm sitting there chilling, watching TV. Try to run in if you want to. Gotcha. Yeah. Y'all know what it is. But we're gonna go back downstairs. Go to the other side of the house and go back upstairs. Oh, before I go upstairs. How about the half bath off the kitchen? You feel me? Yeah. All right, so going back upstairs, now you're in the master bedroom. King size bed, closet space, drawers, TV already in. Come into the bathroom, his and her sinks, got the throne, got the shower. Washer and dryer has its own section, so it's not taking up any other space. Yeah, I think I'm good with that. Oh, but check this out, one more thing. This thing got storage, y'all. You got storage here. You got storage here. You got drawers. So, yeah, this thing got storage everywhere.
Have my best friend here.
I'm her best friend of life.
What are you thinking about this RV that we just looked at, this fifth wheel?
That RV, it looked amazing.
Yeah.
I feel like I would live in it for a few. I feel like I would live in it for maybe like 2 months.
Okay.
But here's the thing. I don't want them to hiding my snacks from me under that bed.
What? I don't know what he's talking about, but we're gonna go see more.
They would hide my snacks in
This was a good one.
I like this.
This was really good. Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah. Good.
Wasn't even on our list.
It was not on the list, but at first I was like, from the outside, I thought it was small.
Yeah.
But once we got on the inside, and I'm like, oh, okay, all right,
Yeah.
I can do
And
this.
the thing is that one of the ones that was on our list, I thought we would love, right? My hair is just flying everywhere, right? I thought that we would love, but
It moved down on the ranks.
it did. Actually, it got
Actually, it
striked
got
off.
struck.
It got striked off the list, but super excited about it. Can't
Yeah.
wait to see. He's going to show us more that he's going to even blow our mind even more. So we'll take you along. I can't wait till we decide
That's
find
gonna
the
be the
perfect
hard
one.
part.
Yes, is
That's gonna
decide
be the hard part.
and do it. And then the MSRP, even though it was $147, the everyday price is $118.
118.
So that is definitely within our
That's
budget.
30K savings almost.
Yeah, so I'm enjoying it. I mean, if you're looking for an RV, definitely, especially a fifth wheel, come to McLean's in Denton
Yeah.
because they have a great
And ask for Kyle.
selection.
Ask for Kyle.
Ask
He's
for
been
Kyle.
here for 1 week.
And he's already showing out.
Man.
He's already showing out. He said he's the man. He's the man back there driving. That's the man.
Yeah. All right, fam. So we just left the sales floor here in McLean's in Denton, and when I say, oh my gosh,
Yeah, they outdid themselves.
oh my gosh, that Grand Design Solitude,
Yeah.
that 380 FL, yeah, that one done moved up in my list.
It
Actually, it
has.
wasn't on the list, but it's on there now.
It's so good. And customer service here was amazing.
Yeah.
Was
Yeah, yeah.
amazing. We met with Kyle
Jake helped out. Like Kyle is his first week,
Yes.
and if it's something that he didn't know, he found somebody
Yeah.
around to ask that question.
So they have great customer
Yeah.
service here. They have, of course, we met with Jake. who's
They're a team.
Jake, who's a senior sales, I want to say rep, but I could be wrong. So
Yeah.
sorry, Jake. Bear, love the name.
Bear, right?
We met Bear.
I'm mad because Bear going to play golf when he get off.
And then, of course, our sales rep, Kyle, and he was so kind and just he paid attention to everything that we said. We came with a list, guys. You know, we've been looking for this, and so we've been doing our research, and we know exactly what we want. We came with a list, and it didn't scare him.
Right.
It didn't scare
My
him.
dude wrote everything down.
Yeah.
I mean, he took notes
Yeah.
as we were giving him descriptions of what we were looking for, what we wanted. He took notes. He made sure he understood our vision.
Yeah.
So, shouts out to Kyle.
Well, it's been a day. We looked at some. We were pleased. We were pleased. At the end of the day, we were pleased. I feel like it was a long day. There's some other locations that they have.
Sorry. Not sorry.
There's some other locations that they have. Packs back there. I know that's hot. Anyways, I know. So stick with us. We're gonna find the perfect one. I know we are. We have to. It just has to feel like home. And so we'll find the right one. I think we have another adventure in a couple of weeks, and
Next week.
we'll keep you posted.
Shannon AD, living tomorrow's today.